Good morning, my babies. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. I am Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs, sometimes I listen to beauty videos. So yeah, if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So it's Monday and we're heading out. I am going to work. Yeah, hopefully this is a week in my life vlog, so hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Love you guys. Subscribe if you have not as yet. I know some of you guys watch my videos and you're not subscribed. I would appreciate it, guys. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know, let me know that you're here. Yeah, communicate with me. So we're gonna head out and I'll see you guys throughout this week. We're gonna have so much fun. Well, not fun, but hopefully it will be fun, just enjoying time with me. So yes, guys, no, I did not screw my hair. I am just, I washed it yesterday and I decided to flat iron it. So this is my hair flat ironed when it's actually supposed to be creamed. Yeah, I'm supposed to relax it from, was it yesterday or Friday? Saturday or Friday, one of them. But just washed it and all of that. I tried out the Dandruff Ease shampoo that I showed you guys in my last vlog that I finally got. Yeah, I tried it out yesterday. So far, not itching me yet, but normally when I just wash it, it not start itch so quick. So let's see how that goes. Loving my hair. So see you guys soon.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's lamb in it. We don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him, I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading what's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Hey guys, so I am back home. It is currently rainy outside. I'm not even for now see like the weather. Yeah, now see. So it's currently raining outside, but your girl have to wash. Look, where you gonna stand up one, please? Anyway, so your girl has to wash because I didn't get to wash like last week, and didn't get to wash weekend, so I have to wash today. So I'm gonna be washing. I'll put some clothes on the machine. I'll get my snack because I'm hungry. Didn't eat anything heavy today, so let's get that done.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone. someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me.
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I am heading out to work. Just stopped to say good morning. Some more of your walk and talk. So yes. Yesterday was a very hectic day. After I got home, I had like 5 classes. I was full yesterday. Came home and wash, and then do lesson plan. I went to my bed pretty much after 11. So I'm tired. Anyways, I'm heading out. So I will see you guys along the way. It's kind of cloudy and a bit sunny. Yeah. I'm out of this thing in my hair. I need to get myself some headbands because the headbands I have are all stretched out. This is the only one, and this one is tight and it's red. So I need black, I need brown, other colors. So yeah.
P, that's a positive mindset. R, make sure you have respect. O, open-mindedness of the C, collaboration. Yeah, man, yes. P, that's a bit. P, that's a bit.
Positive man.
P, that's a bit.
Positive man.
P, that's a bit. R, make sure you have. O,
Hello guys. What is? Hello guys. This is one of Shake's fan supporters, and I'm begging you to run over. It's Shake YouTube and subscribe, like, comment, share. Send it to our friends and your granny, your great grandfather, your great grandmother, everybody. I'll use bangers download YouTube on them phone. You understand? Thank you. Are you guys seeing this? It is dark. Guys, you guys can't even see me. Yeah, after 6. I'm not left school yet. Well, I'm leaving now. So, yeah. Reality of me being working at school. Like, I literally can't see right now. But I can't see right now. But yeah, I'm there at school. Anyways, I'm about to head home. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it is Friday. It is Friday, and I am happy. So happy. Can't wait for this evening. Like, I am so tired. Last night I went to my bed like after 8. A son knows I'm tired. But now I'm literally reaching in bed by 9. Got in bed by 9:30. Last night I was in my bed about 8 o'clock or a little after 8. And I was knocked out so quickly. So I know somebody well tired. So yes, guys, today we're going to give me a minute. Yeah, so somebody did pass with some music, so I have to stop. So yes, I was telling you guys that so today I don't know what I'm be doing today, but I want to take you guys along because it's a part of the week, and have been neglecting you guys from week because I've been so busy. So yeah, I uploaded my vlog yesterday. I tried so hard to sit down and edit that vlog. I wanted to do some, like the nice editing something, but I couldn't because I was trying to go fast. So that is why I like to pre-edit so that I don't have so much stuff and that it's done properly, but never work out. Anyway, see you guys throughout today.